Hi, this is the third video in our series on learning German for beginners. In this lesson, we will learn in a very simple way how to write and pronounce numbers in German, helping you master them quickly. First, we will learn the number from 0 to 20, and you will see how easy it is to learn them. Let's start it. Hello and welcome all German learners to the Deutsch learning channel. I am here to make learning German very fun and the easy way for you. Let's jump in and have a great time learning together. The numbers in the German language. Die Zahlen. Don't forget to always repeat the numbers after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to not miss any new lessons. From here, we will add 10 to each number up to 20. It is writing like this: 3 followed by 10. To be together, 13. 4 followed by 10. To be together, 14. We will apply this method up to the number 20. 15, 16, 17. There is something here that I hope you noticed in the following numbers. As we learned, the number 6 followed by 10 should be pronounced 16. But we will drop the S to make it 16. Also, the number 7 followed by 10 should be pronounced 17, but we will drop the AN to make it 17. This is an exception. I hope you remember it. Let's go back to the rest of the numbers. 18, 19, 20. This is the first part, and in the second part we will learn the number from 21 to 100. If you like my video, a thumbs up would mean the world to me, and subscribe my channel to get all new videos. Thank you for watching.